Clarence Earl Gideon was named, breaking and entering of the game.
He appeared in court without an attorney, pleas Q4 to a 4-1.
The trial judge denied his request for a lawyer because it is not a capital offense.
In the first trial, he was found guilty. He represented himself and was sentenced to 5 years imprisonment.
He then filed a petition for writ of habeas corpus, claiming that the judge violated his constitutional rights. The Florida Supreme Court denied it.
Next, he filed a petition to the U.S. Supreme Court, and they agreed to hear the case, wanting to answer the question whether the Sixth Amendment applied to people in the state courts.
Boom. Precedent. Dutch v. Brady, 1942. The courts refused to appoint an attorney for a felony in state court because it did not violate the due process clause of the 14th Amendment. Counsel could only be appointed to a poor man in a capital case.
Constitutionality. Justice Tom Clark recognized that the Sixth Amendment required that attorneys be appointed to all criminal prosecutions.
The 14th Amendment required that attorneys be appointed for all criminal offenses and capital offenses.
The Constitution does not distinguish between capital and non-capital offenses.
Justice John Harlan agreed that Dutch v. Brady be overruled.
Harlan does not believe that the 14th Amendment incorporates all of the Sixth Amendment, resulting in all federal law applying to all the states.
Boom. Court decision and reasoning. Argued January 15, 1963. Decided March 18, 1963.
Gideon v. Wainright was reversed and remanded. It was decided in a unanimous decision.
The court said that the Sixth Amendment states that it is essential that counsel be provided to ensure a fair trial. Applies to states because of the due process clause.
Quotes from the court. In overturning that, Justice Black stated that, quote-unquote, reason and reflection requires us to recognize that in our adversary system of criminal justice, any person hailed into court who is too poor to hire a lawyer cannot be assured a fair trial unless counsel is provided for him. End quote. He further wrote that the noble ideal of fair trials before impartial tribunals in whichever defendant stands equal before the law cannot be realized if the poor man charged with crime has to face accusers without a lawyer to assist him.
Boom. Significance. Now, if you cannot afford an attorney in any kind of court case, one will be appointed and provided to you.
7 District 2016.